Hi, this is Pam. I'm teaching Internet Research Skills, and I wanted to talk about citing PDFs. So PDFs are simply portable document files, and you often encounter them in your search results, for example, in Google, and they can be quite challenging to figure out how to cite. So I'm going to walk you through how to do a citation of a PDF, and I'm going to use NoodleTools to do that. So NoodleTools is a website. You will need to create an account, but it's got some really nice features in terms of walking you through how to do a citation. And so I recommend it as a place to create citations because it will really walk you through it, and a lot of people seem to have a hard time figuring out how to do this. And the web is particularly challenging, so getting a little extra help with this is not a bad thing. So we're going to start by taking a look at our search. So these are actually all PDF files because I've set file type PDF in my Google search. And then I'm just going to choose one of these. So top 40 bad books looks interesting. So I'm going to click the little arrow here. It brings up a preview. And then to look at the document, I would click on that. I've actually already downloaded it. So here is the document. And so my challenge here is I need to figure out what this is in order to figure out how to cite it. So here we go. So I'm going to just start scrolling down through this, and I've got a date listed here, January through February 2010. And so I want to make sure this looks like a magazine or journal. I'd say it is actually a magazine. And there we go, American Book Review. So that is a magazine. And so what I'm going to do is go into NoodleTools, and then my first step is to select a citation type. So here we go, magazine, and it's going to create citation. And then I have choices, so it's going to give me options to help me figure out how to cite this. So this is actually a digital file. It says PDF, so I'm going to select that, click Next, and then I need to pull the information from the publication. So digital file type, I've got PDF. And then I've got some choices here to make. With this publication, I have sort of two choices. I can cite to the whole article, which is top 40 bad books, or I can cite to a specific section in the article. And I've got to figure out, it depends on how I would use this. So actually, I'm going to do just top 40 bad books. There's no author, so I'm going to skip that. And then I'm going to just type in top 40 bad books. Okay, and notice this is again why I like NoodleBib, because it gives me hints on how to format my citation. The name of the magazine is, let's see, where was that? American Book Review. The date of publication, so January, doesn't give me options, but the thing that I can do is when it gives me the finished version of the citation and I copy and paste that into my paper, I can continue to edit it a little further in my paper. So I can change that later on. Page numbers, since I'm doing the whole thing, I don't want to choose the page numbers from up here. I want to do page 3. Let's go to the last one through 12. So I'm going to do 3 through 12. I could create a little annotation, so a little paragraph about the citation, and then I click Generate Citation, and it creates it for me. So this is my citation right here. You notice it's pretty basic, and so I can go back and edit this further, or I can copy it and paste it into a paper, and that's when I would add information to it that I can't do in NoodleBib. So that's how you cite something that is a PDF and it's a magazine or a journal. Thanks.